In this particular problem, problem 9 of lab for chapter 14, we have a situation where we are taking two samples of data and creating the difference between these two in one single population setting, because we are actually looking at the same objects in two different scenarios. One where you have a buy one, get one free campaign, and one without the buy one, get one free campaign. And instead of testing a hypothesis that there is or isn't a difference with a campaign or program to buy one, get one free versus without, we're actually building a confidence interval, in this case, a 90% confidence interval. So to do this, step one is open the data in StatCrunch. Once the data are opened in StatCrunch, then what you do is you go to stat, you first build the difference between with and without the program. So you go to data, compute, expression, and we build the difference between with a program minus without a program. And we call this D for difference. Once we have the differences measured, we then go to stat, tstats, one sample with data. We take the D for difference, and we build a confidence interval of 90% by highlighting that that is what we would like the software to perform, a confidence interval measuring the average difference between with the buy one, get one free and without the buy one, get one free programs. And we click on compute, where we get the lower and upper limit of such an interval between -108 and +588. It's that simple. So you go to the problem and you put in the two values that you measured in StatCrunch, and after that, you're done. That's how easy it is to perform a confidence interval of the average difference between two treatments of the same objects. Thank you for watching this brief video. I hope it was useful.